been my set and forget experiment. So we'll see how we did. 2 standard sized fundamentals today. Alright. Looking good. Let's see if I can get my thermometer. Can't get rid of that glare for you, can I? Alright, 180. Yeah, that doesn't help. 195. Looking like 196 maybe. I'm good with that. Put the lid back on. Bump over to the next one. Let's see. It's cooling down a little bit. I'll get the clips off. Let that thermometer drop a little bit before we get in there. Alright, it's down to 90 degrees, so very similar. $180, $190, $197. That one's going to 200. Maybe 198. So I'm happy with that. I'm happy with that. So I'll call that good to go. That was a 2-hour set it and forget it with 2 standard sized fun panels. Thanks for tagging along. I'll bring them in the house and get them on the cooling rack so you can take a look. This is the 26th of April, 2023.